In this course, as we'll be designing an app, we'll be building a software interface. That means we'll mainly be working on interaction design. Interaction design is about shaping digital things for people's use. It's about helping people achieve specific goals through an interface. This could be withdrawing money from an ATM, taking a picture with your phone, or checking your emails. So this is different from industrial design, where the goal is to solve a problem by crafting a physical product that will be mass-produced, taking into account material and production lines constraints. It's also different from graphic design, which is more meant to be looked at. Let me now introduce you to two concepts you need to understand: UX and UI. They stand for user experience and user interface. You've probably heard these terms before, but it's not always clear what they correspond to, and I want to make sure the distinction is clear in your mind. UX, user experience, deals with the overall experience associated with the use of a product or a service. It requires a good understanding of the user and of the system of the product the user interacts with. UI, user interface, is the specific interface of this product. It is the tool, the point of interaction between a human and a system. Therefore, UI is a part of UX. Let's borrow Elia's example and pictures to illustrate this. Here our problem is, what is the best way to sell the content, represented by the cereals, to our customer? The whole user experience will include serving them into a bowl full of milk and allowing the user to eat the cereals from the bowl, and that is thanks to the interface, which is the spoon. Let's see what that means if we take our sample app. We have our UI, which is made of several UI elements like the navigation bar, or the clickable text, or the tab bar. So really UI is what is displayed on the screen to accomplish an action. Whereas UX answers a different question, which is why. Like, why is this page the home page? Why do we have 5 tabs that include a blue tab? And the answer to the why is not something you can figure out on your own. The only way you can find the answers is by talking to people, observing them. A good UX relies on a good understanding of the user's needs and personalities, a clear view of the architecture and the way the product works. Without a minimum of this, we can't hope to craft a functional UI. In order to build a great user interface, we need to work on user experience first. This is why our workflow that you'll be able to use for all your future projects will start with some UX design techniques before diving in the design of the interface.